This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Steurenberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Right now we're going to look at the result. So we see that the Skoda Enyaq, the new Skoda Enyaq Coupe, did it in 5.2 seconds roughly, and by spec it's 5.5 seconds. It's faster than spec. So, and then we have the old one down here which had less power. Even that one also actually overperforming. And you see, back then we have 299 horsepower, now we have 340. It's still the same weight, so yeah, 5.2 seconds, then it's starting to become quite schnell. What is it? We can match EV9 GT line. Okay, that was EV9. We can match some rear-wheel drive or some other cars. Hey, all-wheel drive, yes. Kia EV6, hey, how many horsepower does that have? 3, okay, roughly that. But it's in the 5-second domain. And then when it comes to noise though, that was a bit weird, because here we have the old Enyaq Coupe, all right, with 21-inch wheels, 65.9-ish decibel average. And then this new one came down here. It's almost 1 decibel noisier, but 20-inch wheels. But then Hankook Evo 3, so maybe the Hankook Evo 3 is noisier than the Pirelli Scorpion. That could be a reason why. So yeah, there you guys have it. If you want a fast car and also, well, maybe not the quietest unless you get the right tires, then go get the Skoda Enyaq Coupe. So that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.